Sanctuary. Tarsier Sanctuary, Guwaon Cave. Hello, it's a rainy day naman na Chimpo. We're here at Bohol Tarsier Sanctuary. So this is the place. Okay. Guys, the people, mga tourists. Bibili muna tayo ng ticket. So this is the ticket. We have a seminar, a little seminar for entering the sanctuary. So this is the price ng Malagaw. Regular 70, student 160, senior 137. Together with the PWD, the people are sitting here to watch the video. Little seminar lang. Malagaw. Okay na. Ingit to yan. Sunday, tiyakin na sa Chocolate Hills na it's raining. 11:44. Quiet here in the sanctuary. Talaga we bought a ticket. Now today we have this. Before wala lino. Subong Miyaya. Let's go. May souvenir picture with the Tarsier. Ang ticket. Souvenir. Let's go. Entrance. So it's raining.
No camera video flashes
Observe silence. Okay. Kapag lumalimat. Nakita. Beautiful. exit. God's creation dito sa Pilipinas nakikita rather than any countries. Tarsier, they're cute, brown big eyes like my friend. No, shout out to the Jonas Orobala. Sorry tol, pero ikaw gida tol, hindi yan si Tidji. Kung si Tidji na yan, si Wukong na siya yan. Wukong, the monkey. Edge, no? I hope you see this, no? Ang video ko. O, sige lang. Makita mo kung kita. Gawa rin siya. Like she's having a good day with the rain and umbrella siya. Kapamilya ni Jonas. Shout out Jonas. Yeah. So, nakalagaw. Going back. Exit na little time na appreciate these little creatures. Tarsier, will enjoy ka mo sila mag-iilaw lalo. They're so cute. Hindi pwede makaktan. They're so fragile and very important to the ecosystem. Very important. Mag-aapot na sila mga kalagaw. They're so noisy, they're so stressed out that they are committing suicide. Nag-welcome themselves. Kung na-stress sila, so bakas na sa tao. That's why low noise. Kailan sa pagkatulo, it's like a foreign, Japanese or Korean, so noisy na ginapashish. Malaluin ko sa creature. Malaluin ko sa Tarsier. So anyway, we're here, going back. Dito sunod sa souvenir shop. Nalapunta ko na ng mga souvenir shop. So we're in the souvenir shop here. This is what you will see. Mga souvenirs, rabbit magnets, keychains. This one. See? 1 yard. I love one. Everything. My t-shirts. Ano yun? Ano ba ba? 4 for 100 yung? 4 for 100. So here we are. So, today lang. Pagkatapos ito mo lang with the Tarsier, sunod mo din souvenir shops. Tambay. You have your own souvenirs here in Bohol. Mga kalagaw. Tapos sila maybe have lunch at Lupo. So, update na bumili. Enjoy. Enjoy. Shop. 20 pesos. 4 for 100. 5 for 100. Saan